ePost-it presents Hipfig.com. Welcome to the First Time International Travelers Series, Volume 2 of 6, Prohibited Items in the Airplane and in the New Country, Before Departure. We hope you have viewed Volume 1 of our First Time International Travelers series on baggage information. We encourage you to view all of our volumes in sequence. Happy international travel! Again, look, it's Mr. Lee, our first time international traveler. He wonders to himself, what items can't I take in my bags? Prohibited items on the airplane and in your new country. Meet Miss Honda, frequent international traveler. Miss Honda explains to Mr. Lee that there are two types of prohibited items. The first type is anything that can make the flight unsafe. The second type is anything that can harm the ecosystem of the new country that you are traveling to. It is the passenger's responsibility to be aware that the origination and destination country may have local laws prohibiting the possession of some items. The final decision rests with security personnel, immigration officer, or custom officials. For any questions about specific items, please check with your airline local office or your destination country embassy. Quick list of prohibited items on airplanes. Please take a close look at any items that may affect you. Please stop the video as needed. Ms. Honda recommends that all international passengers check the web link below for a detailed list of prohibited items on airplanes. The quick list of prohibited items in a new country. Please view the items and stop the video as necessary to view any items that affect you. Ms. Honda recommends that all international passengers check the web link below for a detailed list of prohibited items in the new destination country. All international travelers entering the new country are required to declare any meat, fruit, vegetables, plants, seeds, animals, and plant and animal products they may be carrying. The declaration must cover all items carried in checked baggage and on carry-on luggage. Summary. Here below is a quick list of prohibited items on airplanes. Please take a long look to make sure that you are not carrying any of these items onto the airplane. Summary. A quick list of prohibited items in the new destination country. Please take a quick look to make sure that you are not carrying any of these items into your new destination country. Happy international travel! Be sure to watch our other presentations in this series for more information.